Our animation begins on a beautiful farm, a place where nature and simplicity come together in perfect harmony. The sun is shining brightly, casting a warm and inviting glow over the entire landscape. The grass is a vibrant green, swaying gently in the breeze, adding to the serene beauty of the scene. We hear birds singing a cheerful song, their melodies blending perfectly with the peaceful surroundings. This is where our story takes place, amidst the rolling hills and picturesque views of the countryside. It's a place of joy and learning, where children can explore, play, and discover the wonders of nature. This farm is the perfect setting for our nursery rhyme, Baa Baa Black Sheep, a timeless tale that has been passed down through generations. This classic rhyme has been enjoyed by children for generations, bringing smiles and laughter to young faces. With its simple words and catchy melody, it's a wonderful way to introduce young viewers to the world of language and music, fostering a love for storytelling and rhythm. As we embark on this journey, let's immerse ourselves in the joy and magic that this beloved nursery rhyme brings to life. Baa Baa Black Sheep is a simple, repetitive rhyme that has been cherished by generations. Its catchy tune and easy-to-remember lyrics make it a favorite among young children and parents alike. This makes it easy for young children to follow along, creating a joyful and interactive learning experience. The rhyme's simplicity allows children to participate actively, boosting their confidence and enthusiasm for learning. Repetition is key to early language development. By hearing and repeating the same words and phrases, children strengthen their memory and language skills. This repetitive nature helps them grasp new vocabulary and sentence structures more effectively. As children hear the same words and phrases over and over, they begin to internalize them, making these words a part of their everyday language. This process is crucial for building a strong foundation in communication. The rhyme also introduces basic concepts like counting, which is an essential skill for early childhood education. By associating numbers with fun and familiar elements, children find it easier to understand and remember them. The sheep has 3 bags of wool to give away, one for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. This simple story structure helps children grasp the concept of sharing and distribution, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Through this engaging narrative, children learn about different characters and their roles, enhancing their understanding of social relationships. This helps children understand numbers in a fun and engaging way. By combining music, storytelling, and interactive play, Baa Baa Black Sheep becomes a powerful educational tool that nurtures a child's cognitive and social development. Our animation brings the rhyme to life with colorful visuals. We see the black sheep, a kind farmer, and a happy little boy. Each character is designed to be appealing and relatable to young viewers. The animation carefully follows the words of the rhyme.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool?
We see the sheep talking. Its mouth moves in sync with the words. This lip syncing helps children connect the spoken word with the animated characters, reinforcing language comprehension.
Engaging young minds' educational value?
This animation isn't just entertaining.
It's educational too.
By combining a classic nursery rhyme with vibrant visuals and clear narration, we create a powerful tool for early childhood development.
The simple storyline introduces children to different characters and settings.
They learn about farm animals, like sheep, and the roles of people who live and work on farms.
The power of music. Enhancing the experience. Music plays a vital role in our animation. A cheerful, melodic tune plays in the background throughout the video. This helps to keep children engaged and creates a positive and uplifting viewing experience. Music has been shown to have a powerful impact on early brain development. It stimulates language development, enhances memory, and promotes social-emotional learning. By incorporating music into our animation, we create a multi-sensory learning experience that is both enjoyable and beneficial for young viewers.
Conclusion. Leaving a lasting impression.
As the animation comes to a close, we see the black sheep, the farmer, and the little boy all smiling happily together. Their journey has been one of discovery, friendship, and joy. The bond they share is evident in their expressions, and it's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. The sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the farm. The golden hues of the sunset create a picturesque scene, symbolizing the end of a beautiful day. The farm animals settle down, and the tranquility of the evening sets in, providing a perfect backdrop to the story's conclusion.
The Tiny Toons watermark remains present throughout the video, subtly reinforcing brand recognition. This consistent branding helps viewers associate the quality and creativity of the animation with Tiny Toons, ensuring that the brand remains top of mind for both children and parents.
Our aim is to create an animation that not only entertains but also educates and inspires. We believe that through engaging storytelling and vibrant visuals, we can capture the imagination of young minds. Our characters are designed to be relatable and to convey important lessons in a fun and memorable way.
By presenting a familiar nursery rhyme in a fresh and engaging way, we aim to breathe new life into traditional tales. This approach not only keeps the content relevant, but also makes it more appealing to modern audiences. We hope to spark a love of language, music, and creativity in young viewers. By incorporating musical elements and interactive segments, we encourage children to participate and express themselves. Our goal is to foster a lifelong love of learning in young viewers. Through our animations, we aim to create a foundation for curiosity and exploration that will benefit them throughout their lives. We believe that by making learning enjoyable, we can inspire the next generation to pursue knowledge with enthusiasm and joy.